Hello, YouTube, and welcome to our lost art purchase for Exodia the Forbidden one. Actually, this time I was kind of thrown off how they did the head right now. You figured you'd just build up to it, right? Do both of the legs and the arms and kind of build up to it. It's kind of weird. I noticed the stars in the front of him there, which is kind of interesting because it's behind the rest of his limbs. So I don't know how that's gonna look when it's all complete, but anyways, so head. Set that off to the side there. And for our actual purchase, we got 9 Storm of Ragnarok first edition packs. Awesome packs. Packs which I first opened probably when I first came back from the game. Yeah, I think it was one of my first packs opening. I pulled a Ghost Odin, so who knows? Maybe we can get as good of luck from there. I think it was from a blister pack. I think my buddy was looking at Toys R Us at the time, and he got it from a blister pack. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Maybe we can replicate that luck. Yeah, so it was like the first synchro monster, one of the first synchro monsters I saw. And yeah, I don't know, I just got me excited, got me back into it. It's pretty cool to see different monsters like that. Never really saw anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, so to kick it off, we got Karakuri Ninja, MDL 919, Quick, Violent Matter, Tiki Soul, and ooh, super off the bat. I'll take it. First edition, Legendary 6 Samurai Kizan. Awesome. If you control a face-up 6 Samurai monster other than Kizan, you can special summon this card from your hand. If you control 2 or more other face-up 6 Sam monsters, this card gains 300 attack and defense. Not bad. Not bad at all. Kick it off with a super. Why not? And Cyber Shield, Nordic Relic, Blackwing. Man, I don't know how many times they reprinted Cyber Shield, but okay, so good start. Good start indeed. Set that off to the side. Okay. Okay, so Shan Scheme, Bloodsucker, Black Boost, Legendary 6 Samurai Mizuho, and Asceticism of the 6 Samurai. Nordic Relic, Kagamushi. That's the guy who needs a ball. He looks like the first 6 Samurai, right? The one that came in LOD. Forget his name right now. Legendary Samurai or something. Can't remember. Okay, so we are a third through. This is our third pack. Worm, Hourglass of Courage, Mimir of the Nordic Ascendant, Black Boost, and Tang Nostnir of the Nordic Beasts. 6 Strike, Nordic Relics, and Resonator Engine. Yeah, actually, so yeah, I put together that deck pretty much immediately after I got the Odin, just because I felt obligated to. Yeah, and that's kind of what got me back into Yu-Gi-Oh! So, start off with another Bloodsucker, Tyrant's Tirade Top Runner, a Watkey, and Scrap Worm. Zero Force, fucking Stampede. Okay, so only one super so far, not the best start. I mean, it started with a super, so that was nice, but since then, we've gone 1 for 3. see what we can do on pack number 5. Halfway through. Karakuri Cash. And, ooh, Loki, no way. Sick, awesome. Okay, so at least we got one of the gods. That's not bad. I already have a few ultra rares, yeah, and ultimates, so it's not the best, but I got excited when I saw that synchro. Scrap Shark. Odin's Eye. I got an ultra rare though, that's not bad. Could be worse, right? Okay, so we're down to 4 packs left. Not bad. Loki. I just saw Avengers too, so I don't want to say anything but give out spoilers, but Loki is in the movie, we'll just say that. Okay, so quick, Solemn Authority, Tiki Soul, and ooh, another super Symphonic Warrior drums, and with the little mark there. Another super. Okay, we'll take it. Actually forgot to read Loki's effect. Jeez, look how small the rating is. Once per turn, when a spell or trap activates during your battle phase, you can negate and destroy it. During the end phase, if it's destroyed by your opponent's card or by battle sent to the graveyard, you can remove a Nordic Alpha tuner, right? Yeah. On a special summon, select 1 trap in your grave and add it to your hand. So not the best card. Kind of, the effects are kind of specific. Once per turn, you can declare 1 attribute and select 1 face-up Symphonic Warrior monster. That monster becomes the attribute. Declare 1 attribute, remove from play that card from your graveyard to select 1 face-up monster you control and make it that attribute. Okay, so we're on the home stretch here. We are down to our 3rd last pack. And we have Worm Jedikepsi and Blackwing. So no holo, Doppel Warrior, Barrier Resonator, Nordic Relic, and Zero Force. Can we get that Ghost Odin back? I remember selling him with a bunch of other cards, and it's just because I really wanted to have the ghosts with them. Ended up selling them for a good price at the end. It's still the same price it is now, so it's not like I lost any money, but it would be nice to get it back. It was one of the first cards I'd pulled when I got back into it. Okay, so we have Tyrant's Tirade, Sheehan Squire, Gotterdammerung, and Mimir. So no holo to finish it off, but we did get one of the gods and 2 supers, so it wasn't the worst. So 1 holo per 3. It's not bad. Not bad. 1 and 3, I'll take it. Loki. Okay, we'll take it. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe for more. And we'll see you later. Peace. What is up, YouTube? We're back with a little preview of a little trip I made to a local, well, kind of local card shop. Was able to find a place with some really, really cool old 1st edition packs. So, to start off, we have our Absolute Power Force, and we got a bunch of these packs, so there's going to be a few more openings. Like, comment, subscribe for more. But without further ado, we're going to get right into it, because we also got some Star Strike Blast 1st edition, Duelist Genesis 1st edition, So we're looking to open up those awesome packs soon, and even some more. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe for that. I'm pretty excited about the Duelist Genesis first edition. I haven't found any. I'll actually go grab one just to prove I actually have them. The Duelist Genesis first edition. So yeah, found like over 50 of these packs. Either looking to, yeah, we're either looking to, if I can find someone, I'm gonna sell them all. But if I can't find them at a good price and we get enough views, I will open them. I'll open them up on the channel. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get into it. 3 first edition Absolute Power Force. Obviously, we're looking for that majestic red dragon ghost rare. Would be the Absolute chase card. Pretty awesome. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, let's start it off. We have Weeping Idol. We have a Break Draw. Some interesting artwork there. We have a Consecrated Light. And awesome, a super rare Iron Core Specimen Lab. Pretty sure that's Quackimaru Dragon, or what looks to be his baby form, maybe? During each of your end phase, destroy this unless you reveal 1 Iron Core. Each time a Quackimaru monster on the field is destroyed during the end phase, its owner can add 1 Quackimaru monster from their deck to their hand. Awesome. So we have a super rare. Can barely even tell it's super. Hey, get out of there. My dog's eating my food. And a Ritual Cage. Awesome. No battle damage from Ritual monsters. Rose Fairy. Layer Wire. Reptilian Gardna, and a Viper's Rebirth. Bailey, be quiet. Come here. I have to be careful. My little dog. She will bark at the passersby. So I saw that coming. All right, so we started off with a super. That's pretty awesome. See if we can keep it going. And again, like, even just let people know about the channel, just get more views. I don't really have to like or subscribe. I don't really care. Just as long as people are viewing it, I'll be happy. Because, like I said, I just really like opening the old packs, and it's just a bonus for everybody else to be able to see it. All right, Call of the Reaper. Ritual Destruction, awesome. Garlandoff. Unicycler, awesome. And awesome, another super rare. Synchro Control. Activate if you have no synchro monsters on your side of the field in your graveyard. Pay 1,000 and select 1 face-up synchro monster your opponent controls. Take control of the select monster until the end phase. Awesome. Who's that on there? How do I not know who that is? Is that one of them? Is that Majestic Dragon? Kind of looks like Majestic Dragon. Can't really see his face though. Interesting. Awesome. Another super rare. And a Skull Conductor. Spider's Lair, Power Supply, Oil Man. And there we go. Awesome. I'll take that. 2 for 2 so far. Can we finish strong? Can we keep it going? Can we go 3 for 3 on holos? Can we rev it up? Let's rev it up. Let's go. Just butchered the pack. Awesome. I like to try to keep the packs intact, but sometimes I just butcher. Jeez. Okay. Started off with Meteor Flare. Break, draw. Nature's Reflection. And, oh, Ultimate Rare Drill Warrior. No way. No way, Ultimate Rare. That's awesome. That is awesome. Sweet. An Ultimate Rare. I was getting fired up. I saw the synchro. I thought it was, but I kind of saw that it was an Ultimate Rare pretty quickly. So, not bad though. Drill Warrior, one of Yusei's main guys. So sweet. Drill Synchron, one or more non-tuner. Once per turn, during your main phase, you can have this card to attack your opponent directly. Once per turn, during your main phase, you can discard one card and remove this card from play. During your next standby phase, special summon this card. If removed by this effect, then add one monster card from your graveyard to your hand. Awesome. So awesome. Ultimate Rare Drill Warrior. Sweet. I can't, yeah, that's pretty awesome. We just ended it off with a holo, so that was killer. I can't believe it. 3 for 3. Honestly, I love loose packs. I don't care what anybody says. I feel like you have a better chance of getting, like your ratio is almost the same, if not better, most of the time for loose packs. You are taking a risk if you're not buying it at like a store or anything, but yeah, I think it's well worth it. I think if it's a loose packs, if it's at a store, it's whatever. You gotta take the chance sometimes, especially if it's first edition. Yeah, it's always nice opening the first edition stuff. Sweet. So just a quick recap-arino. I know that we already saw it. Well, you know what? Got the phone ringing. I'm gonna cut it short. Synchro Control, Iron Specimen, and of course our Ultimate Rare Drill Warrior. Sweet. All right, hope you all enjoyed. Peace.